Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a big topic, how to lose weight without compromising your health. You might think cutting way back on calories is the best way to lose weight, but eating too little can actually harm your health. Research shows that eating less than 1,000 calories a day usually doesn't give your body the balanced nutrition it needs. This can lead to vitamin and mineral deficiencies and serious health problems. Plus, when you eat far fewer calories than you need, your body starts breaking down muscle and organ tissues for energy. Losing lean tissue slows down your metabolism, which is definitely not ideal for weight loss. So instead of drastically cutting calories, let's focus on something better: feeding your body healthier foods. This is a much more effective strategy for losing weight. According to Jamie Fite, a registered dietitian nutritionist and founder of Jamie Fite Nutrition in White Plains, New York, nourishing your body is the way to go. So what are the best foods to support a healthy and sustainable weight loss plan? Let's dive in and take a look. Think fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. The following foods can support weight loss and boost your overall health in a variety of ways. First up, lean protein. Lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, and grass-fed lean beef help keep you full, decrease cravings, and stabilize blood sugar. Plant-based proteins like legumes, beans, and lentils have the same benefits, and they're high in fiber as well, promoting satiety. Next, avocados. This fruit is high in fiber and a great source of healthy fat, which can help decrease hunger. Just remember, since avocado is calorically dense, be mindful of portion sizes. Vegetables of all kinds can assist with weight loss. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are high in fiber and vitamins, helping reduce digestive issues. Dark green leafy vegetables contain protein and are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Crunchy vegetables like celery and jicama are excellent low-calorie options for snacking. Eggs are another fantastic option. They contain almost every essential vitamin except for vitamin C, plus minerals like phosphorus, calcium, and potassium. Eggs are also a source of complete protein and can be prepared in many delicious ways. Finally, apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, have anti-inflammatory properties, and contain phytochemicals and vitamin C. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you achieve your weight loss goals while keeping you healthy. Remember, it's not just about cutting calories, but about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. See you next time.